Hi, in this video I will tell you about the Altitude project and show you step by step how to complete the testnet and get NFT and airdrop tokens for finishing this testnet. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we begin. Altitude is a new omnichain bridge built on LayerZero, supporting the following networks: Ethereum, Avalanche, BNB, Polygon, Phantom, Arbitrum, Optimism. Distinctive features of the project are low fixed bridge commissions of 0.05%, fast and secure transactions. The project in the future will have its own token ALTD, the full issue of 100 million, of which 62.5% allocated to the community, 5% of airdrop. So now let's get started testnet, for which we will get NFT and project tokens. All the necessary links from the video you can find in my Telegram channel, in the pinned post. The first thing to do is to add all the necessary test networks to the MetaMask. Go to chainlist.org, connect the MetaMask, click Include Testnets, then search for the name of the network, and click Add to MetaMask. You need to add the following networks: Avalanche, BNB, Polygon, Phantom, Métis. Next, we need to request test tokens in each network in faucets. I remind you that links to all the faucets in my Telegram channel. We also need to request project test tokens. Go to the faucet, connect the MetaMask, press Request Tokens, confirm the transaction in the MetaMask. Then switch networks and do the same in the BNB and Métis networks, and you will receive on account of 1000 test tokens. Then you go to the main site and connect the wallet. Then we click on the Transfer tab. Here in the Bridge tab we will send tokens to different networks. Select a network, from which and what we send. Enter the amount. And press Send Tokens, confirm the transaction in the wallet. Done. Next, repeat these steps from the AVAX network to the BNB, Polygon, Phantom and Métis networks and back. You need to make more than 5 transactions. The next step is to add tokens to the pool. Click the Pool tab, choose the pool you like, enter the amount of tokens, click Set Allowance, confirm the transaction in the MetaMask, click Add Liquidity, confirm the transaction in the MetaMask. Next, we need to add tokens to farming. Click the Farm tab, select the pair that we added to the pool in the previous step. Enter the amount of tokens, click Set Allowance. Confirm the transaction in the MetaMask, click Farm and confirm the transaction in the MetaMask. The next step is to add tokens to stake. Click on the Stake tab, click here. Enter the amount of tokens. Click Set Allowance, confirm the transaction in the MetaMask. Click Stake. Done. In the tab Gas Fees you can see what the fees for transfers between networks. The last step is to go to the Galc site, complete tasks and press Register. All the links on this testnet I have made in one post in my Telegram channel, so go ahead, subscribe and use it. That is all. Testnet successfully completed, expect rewards. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like this video, and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss activities on which you can earn cryptocurrency for free.